Alright fam, so we're out here on the scene and this is what we're working with here. BMW Z3 actually. Yeah, so this is the wire we're going to have to install. This is actually the battery cable wire. It looks like here in the trunk the battery is located here. What he's having a problem with is when it connects to the battery, this thing here is actually too wide. It's not making a good connection, and it's actually shorted this thing out. This wire is actually fried from it arcing or whatnot, so that's kind of a hazard. So yeah, we're gonna have to try and pretty much take all this paneling off. Looks like it's, I don't typically specialize in these cars, but we're gonna try and see what we can do here. Probably come on here on the inside, take up this trim, probably take out that trim piece here where the kick panel is, and work our way on up under the hood to where we can make the disconnect here. This is where the battery actually ends here up under the hood. So yeah, we got a little bit more work than I anticipated, but we're gonna get the job done and get this guy back rolling. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. Was kind of quoted him for like 3 hours, 2 hours, but it may take every bit of that, including the drive here. So yeah, let's dive right into this thing and I will show you guys this thing when it gets back started, batteries in and all installed. So hopefully this comes out to be a successful repair and not too far in over our head. I'm pretty sure we can tackle this job. Alright y'all, that's what we got going on. First thing kicking, smoking on this Saturday weekend. I'm about to dive right in. I'll give you guys some. Boy, got your boy working. This is one of those jobs where you think, I'm just gonna pull up, it'll just be a quick fix, you know what I'm saying? It shouldn't take me no longer than a couple hours. And you get there and one thing leads to another. Next thing you know, you done tore these people whole damn car apart just to replace the battery terminal. This is kind of ridiculous. So you guys ever wonder why I don't buy BMWs? This is why right here is a prime example, and why I'm about to stop messing with just European cars altogether. The Audi's actually about to be up for sale, coming here soon. I don't know if you guys, you know, keeping in tune with me, but that guy's about to be on the market, and this is a prime example why. Because the Europeans make these damn things way too damn complicated just to make simple repairs. I'm gonna end up having to take this whole damn inside of this car apart just to get this battery terminal. I still haven't gotten it out, but we just made it to where we should be able to pull it on out and reroute the new cable. But as you can see, all this had to be torn down and taken apart just so I can get the stress from the carpet to be able to release this cord to get it, fish it through. So I got me a good little project here. Yeah, he's gonna have to pay a little bit more than what I originally quoted him, but as you can see, you know, things sometimes it happens to be that way. So that's all it is, man. So yeah, I'm in the process now. I'm about to pull this cable completely all the way out. This is the new one actually, but the old one is just kind of routed in here. I had to jump power it so I can move the seats and get it to where I can take the seats out. Let me take this heat off this wire. And yeah y'all, so hopefully I should be able to pull this thing out. There we go. It's finally coming out, y'all. After all this work, I'm finally able to do this. This is the moment that I've been waiting for. So the old one is now officially out. We about to go on with the new one and try and jigsaw puzzle piece this thing back together. As you can see, I got daggone headrest, the seat out, all this back trim, speaker. Had to drop the hood just to get everything undone. Let some fresh air in here. Man, so yeah y'all, this is came up to be a little bit more, but we're gonna get paid. So at the end of the day, that's all that matters. As long as I'm getting compensated. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try and put this thing back together, man. This is turned out to be longer than I wanted to. You know, we still gotta get back to the house and put that G together so we can get that thing going for my boys. So hopefully we got enough time to get everything done. We will. We're gonna make it happen, even if we gotta pull up an all-nighter. But yeah, we working, man. Alright gang, it's a wrap. Just like that, we got this thing all assembled back together, man. Who would have thought? What, a whole 3 hours, 4 hours later, we got this thing put back together and ready to hit the road. It starts right up. So we done earned our day's keep. Now it's time to head back to the lab. Wait, we gotta meet up with Ryan to get those parts for the G. And from there we can proceed to meet back at the lab. We can get back digging in the G, get this thing finished off and on its way. Alright y'all, I'll catch y'all at the next stop.